Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 11 by 11 is equal to 12 divide 1. Okay, is equal to 12 divide 1 is equal to 12. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, and third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority. Okay. And last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So is equal to 12. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 12 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction 1 by 11, flip this fraction 11 by 1. Okay. Multiply 11. Now here is multiplication and also here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this multiplication. 12 multiply 11. So 12 multiply 11 is equal to 132 multiply 11. Now 132 multiply 11 is equal to 1452. Okay, so the correct answer is 1452. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.